Allah places it in your heart to go to His house. If not, He won't want you there. Allah gives you the energy and the inclination to go to the houses of Allah. Whenever you enter the masjid, thank Allah for accepting you to come there. When you leave the masjid, say, Alhamdulillah, oh Allah, you gave me the opportunity to fulfill my salah with jama'ah, with the Muslimin in your house. Allahu Akbar. It is only when I'm close to you, I can come to your house with ease, without feeling any negativity. When you're not close to me or I'm not close to you, you cannot just come to my house. Who are you, my brother or sister? One might ask. So therefore, a sign of the closeness to Allah of a worshipper is that his heart is connected to the masjid, to the house of Allah. For that very reason, when the Prophet ﷺ was explaining the VIPs of the Day of Judgment, he says, رَجُلٌ قَلْبُهُ مُعَلَّقٌ بِالْمَسَاجِدِ. A person whose heart is connected and hanging in the masjid all the time. Connected to the masjid, hanging in the masjid. In the Arabic language, when we say mu'allaqun bishay'i, it means you are hanging upon a thing, you are connected to it in a way that you cannot detach beyond a certain point. Like there is a rope between you and that place, tying you. I cannot go so far away because it will bring me back.